let's do this side. So this side is, it's the same. It's a little bit less rusty. Like, you can put a grinder here on this side and I don't have to do that side lip, which I'm really happy about. But realistically, it's the same amount of work nearly. So, gonna grind. The last time went perfect, so we're gonna zoop across there. Get the RHS in there. Yeah, RHS sills are something I've run in Sierras for years. I kind of wanted to do it in this anyway, but this just works out to be a clean way of building it so we can keep the strength and keep the car square, because there's not much car here. Like, there's nothing above these doors here. So, yeah, we've got to be fairly visual how that's going. So, I reckon we'll try and keep as much of this as we can. Yeah, who knows? Let's just cut some shit and find out. So this ties this side up nicely. So the RHS in there gives it a bit of strength so we can work on it. Now, what I want to do then was start on the floor. Now, the thing about the floor on this side was it started off pretty simple. It just ended up just replacing the whole thing because it was just so crappy. But it's come up pretty good. So here we go on this one. Alright, we might leave it there in this episode. Measure twice, cut once, cut twice, measure once. Anyway, I somehow fucked that up and I really can't bother mathing right now to figure out how. But that's fine, I'll just have to add an extra bit in. But unfortunately, I'm pretty much out of sheet steel. So far, this build, other than some paint and filler and primer, I've actually spent like $450 now because I've sold the motor that was originally in this and stuff like that. So we're getting there on this budget. I expect this to be about a $5,000 car when it's finished by the time I've invested into it. But that's a very cool $5,000 car. And you guys will get to watch. So I'll see you in 2 weeks. Cheers.